Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play Fresh Prince of Bel-Air on piano. Start by finding middle C and place your right hand so the melody sits comfortably above it. Isolate the main riff and loop it slowly until it feels natural. Count steady eighth notes and emphasize the downbeat of each bar. Once the riff is secure, add light left-hand accompaniment with simple root fifth patterns to support the groove. Build the left-hand groove by starting with simple root fifth patterns in lock time with the right hand. Keep your left hand slightly softer to let the melody sing, and use consistent wrist motion to stay relaxed. When comfortable, add light syncopation or occasional octaves to match the original swing. Practice slowly with a metronome and increase tempo in small steps until you hit a steady, confident pocket that feels natural and musical. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more lessons. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for keeping sheet music, lyric PDFs, and tutorials all in one lightweight device, perfect for practice breaks or lessons on the go. I've included a link and current deals in the description, so check that out if you're interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Outline the chord progression with basic triads, then add sevenths to achieve a richer sound reminiscent of the original. Practice smooth voice leading by moving minimal distances between chords and holding common tones where possible. When performing, choose inversions that fit under your hands and avoid stretching awkward intervals. If a voicing feels crowded, simplify by playing fewer notes or leaving the bass to the left hand to keep everything clear and balanced.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.